loves, it's Belinda Celine and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a morning cleaning routine, and I was going to be just doing a regular morning routine showing you guys what I do on a daily basis, and I noticed that a lot of my morning routine does include me doing little things around the house and like cleaning up, like putting a load in the laundry and like emptying out the dishwasher. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to make this into a daily morning cleaning routine, and I'm also going to incorporate a little bit more of deep cleaning into my daily morning routine because we just hosted a baby shower and there's like glitter everywhere from like the decorations, and there's just like extra stuff on the kitchen that I'm going to be cleaning. So hopefully this video motivates you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also turn on those notifications so you guys don't miss out on any more videos, and let's get started. Get up around 7:30 a.m. and I like to help Ricardo get ready for work. So I'll head on over to the laundry room and steam his clothes. I do not like ironing. It is not something that is fun, but steaming is okay. It's super fast and I feel like it does a better job of getting rid of wrinkles, and it just makes life so much easier. If you don't have one, I highly recommend for you to go out and get one. And around this time I ran out of water for the steamer, so I just filled it back up and put it back on there, and you can tell it starts going on again. And then I'll go ahead and steam his shirt, and I'll steam his pants along with any other clothes that he's wearing. Since I am already in the laundry room, I like to take advantage of putting one load in to the washer and taking out everything out of the dryer. That way I can do laundry throughout the day, and at least if I get one load done, I know that we have some kind of clean, fresh clothes. So I'll go ahead and I'll take that out. I like to take out and fold all of my laundry as soon as it gets out of the washer, because that way I don't procrastinate to put it away and there isn't laundry laying around all over the house. By this time, Ricardo is still in the shower or shaving or just getting ready for the day, and so I'll head on over back to our bedroom and I'll make our bed. And I love a clean, fresh made bed. I just feel like I accomplished something during the day, and also it keeps me from crawling back into bed if I'm tired, because I do work from home. So there are times where I get lazy or tired and I see that big comfy bed and I'm like, should I just sleep in it? By this time, Ricardo is done in the bathroom and I'll take my turn in there. And Ricardo's really shy, so that's why he's not in this video. So I had to film it without him, but I'll take my time in there and put on my contacts, brush my teeth. Also, I make sure to like wash my face, do my morning skincare routine, which you guys have seen before. Let me know if you guys want to see an updated one. And then one of my secrets is to always have a paper towel roll underneath the sink and use that to wipe my face clean, because you don't want to use those dirty hand wash towels that everybody has been using, because that's how you get breakouts. Then I'll change into something a little bit more comfortable for the day, and I am going to be cleaning today, and so I just decided to put on something that I can move around in, like some leggings, a comfortable shirt, and a sports bra. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and head on down to continue the rest of my morning. Luckily, we have this cute little machine over here that's a really smart robot and cleans our floors on a timely schedule. So by the time that I'm downstairs, it's on and the doggies are running around having fun. And the reason why I love this is because it does a great job of picking up dog hair. And you'd be surprised, like all the little debris that comes inside of our house from the dogs going outside and playing out in the yard. And even though they don't shed very much, it still picks up a lot of dust and just stuff around the house. And about every few days it picks up this much trash, so that way I can go ahead and empty that out if it's necessary, and then I'll head on over and start making Ricardo's lunch for the day. Last night I made some chicken soup and it was delicious. I felt like I was getting really sick, or I was really sick, and so I thought that would be really great. Also, to hold off Ricardo from lunch and dinner, which is about 6 hours, I like to include a snack for him, and these were sent to us by RX Bars, and they're really good. Usually there's like a weird aftertaste when it comes to like protein bars, but these were actually really tasty. There's no added sugar, no dairy, no soy, no gluten, and it's made with all fresh ingredients. So these are a couple of our favorite ones. As you can tell, they're gone. They're the peanut butter ones. I love the coconut chocolate ones, which I finished already. There's no more of those. And others that we really like are the mixed berry ones and the peanut butter chocolate bars. If you guys have been on a hunt for a delicious protein bar and want to try these out, you can get 25% off your first order by going to rxbar.com/Belinda, and you can use the promo code Belinda. By this time, Ricardo is headed off to work, and so I'll begin making myself some breakfast and also pouring out the food for the doggies so I can feed them in the morning and we can have breakfast together. I wasn't too hungry this morning, but as soon as I am done with the breakfast, I'll go ahead and I'll unload the dishwasher from the night before. And I actually learned this tip from my friend Megan from the channel Love Meg. And ever since I started doing this, I felt like our kitchen is a lot more cleaner because it gives me less to do. But since we did have a baby shower this past weekend, and on this day, it was the next day, and we cooked all of the food here at the house, I had a lot more to do and the dishwasher was packed. So once I was done unloading it, I made sure to reload it again from the food that we made last night, and also like other things that we just had that we needed to clean. Like I cleaned out the fridge as well, so I had more than usual, so I put in a second load. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just hand wash anything else, like my pans. I don't like when they're in the dishwasher because I feel like it takes off the coating or it's too harsh on my pans. Once I am done hand washing all of the dishes, then I'll clean the counters with Mrs. Meyer's Everyday Cleaner, and this one is in the basil scent and it smells amazing. The basil scent is the only scent that I notice that the scent stays on my counters for over 10 hours, which is very surprising because my kitchen still smelled really, really clean even the next day, which really surprises me. So I'll go ahead and I'll clean up anything that's needed, like on the stove or on the microwave or anything like that. I just like to wipe down everything so it looks nice and clean. As you can tell, I didn't get a chance to clean the kitchen last night, which happened, but that means the next morning you just have to, put in a little bit more work.
Back on me, so I turn my back on you, and now we're stuck in this charade. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, babe. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I know you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but to me it's too late. Oh, you walked away, you paid the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I know you were trouble right out.
For our granite countertops, I like to use a different cleaner. This one is from Method, and I like that it does polish the countertops without leaving any streaks, because I tried so many different ones and you're not supposed to use specific ones on granite. I don't know why, but they're supposed to be super durable, but the finish on them, and so I want to take care of our countertops, so I'm using this one and I've liked it a lot so far. Then I'm going to take everything else that goes downstairs in the bar, like Ricardo's mugs for like his bar, as well as all the utensils that we use for the baby shower. We usually host parties downstairs, and so we put like all the extra utensils or serving spoons downstairs. So I'm just gonna put those aside and then put the others in the drawer. That way, next time we have a party, we can easily find them. And it's crazy because I found these for $1 at the dollar store. So I was so excited. They're really nice looking too. Then I'll head back upstairs and clean the table. Usually by this time I have eaten breakfast, and so I'm just making sure that any crumbs or anything like that is cleaned. Also, there was so much glitter from the decorations of the baby shower, and so I moved all of the chairs so that I can vacuum underneath, because even though the Roomba does vacuum on this floor and it does a good job, I felt like it just needed an extra help because I had to move all of the chairs. It goes in like in between all of the chairs, which is pretty cool, but I needed to move them so I can really give it a nice deep clean. So this is what I mean by deep cleaning. This isn't in like my daily cleaning routine, but I decided to incorporate it in here because I really had to clean after the party the last day.
I'm gonna be okay. Honestly, I don't care what you say about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Now I've got peace of mind, 'cause I'm leaving you behind. I don't know about you. You were just a waste of time, but I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you, and it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second, all because of you. All because of you.
That is all that I'm doing for the morning. Now I'm gonna make myself some tea and start my work, which is answering back emails, working on my sticker shop, editing, or anything like that. And since I'm sick right now, this is heaven to me. I love tea, especially when I am sick and I have a sore throat. So I just like to add some honey in there as well as lemon and enjoy my afternoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're motivated to clean, because these videos always get me so excited to clean my house. It just works. I don't know how. But also, if you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.